in a typical central hydraulic unit, you have the motor, you have the reservoir. Anybody follow me?
Mm-hmm.
And you have a different, what is this?
Body valves.
The body of valves with 3 positions, you remember?
Right.
And you have another one here. And you have another one here. And you have another one here. You have a 4 or 5 solenoid control valves. Everybody follow me?
Right.
Pam, 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 pam. This one is going up for anchor. You know, the control box for anchors. Oh, that control and that control,
That's the central control unit?
that's the central hydraulic unit.
Oh, central hydraulic. Okay.
One solenoid valve for anchor, other solenoid valve for the pasarela extended and retract. Yeah, pam, pam, other switch to activate those. That one for other element, that one for other element. You understand?
Right.
This is the central hydraulic unit. How is the connection here in those buttons?
Just an open
Let me explain how is the connection. Those buttons, those push buttons, they have 2 terminals. You see? 2 terminals.
Yep.
You have 2 of them, one for up and other for down, together, pretty close. This for up and this for down. You follow me?
Yes.
Okay, look at this. You have 2 of them,
No, it's gonna be
and you have the other one here. What type of switch is that switch?
It's open.
Excuse me?
Normally open.
Normally open momentary. No? Okay, I am going to connect the middle of this with the middle of this directly to
Battery.
the battery or the positive bus bar. Yes or no?
Yes.
With a fuse. In some cases, the problem is that fuse,
right.
normally. Okay, and what happened here and here? Here is, and the other one, here. They have other cable for ground and other cable for ground. That's clear?
Mm-hmm.
Finito? Ah, this one is working, but this one no. Oh, let me check. I disconnect the power, and I check continuity when I press. Nothing. This one, beep. This one, nothing. What happened?
That's broken.
That switch is out. You replace the switch.